In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix your blog post sitemap in Wix using Google Search Console. This is a straightforward process, but it's essential to get it right to ensure your blog posts are easily found by search engines, which can help drive more traffic to your website. Now let's dive into the steps and make sure everything is set up correctly. First things first, you need to go to the Wix website. Start by heading over to the My Site section from your account dashboard. Once you're logged in, you can easily find all the websites you've created with Wix. This is the central hub where you can manage the different elements of your sites. If you're not sure where to find it, look at the navigation options along the top of the Wix homepage after you log in. It should be right there, neatly labeled. Once you're in the My Site section, what you'll want to do next is choose the specific website where you wish to fix your sitemap. Carefully find and click on Select and Edit Site for the correct website. This will allow you to directly access and make changes to your chosen site. Make sure you're editing the right site by double-checking the site name before proceeding with any further steps. After selecting the site, locate the URL of your page. You'll find this right near the Connect Domain button on your dashboard. Keep an eye out for this section because it's here that you'll need to make a small but important addition to access your sitemap. For the next part, you'll be manually typing into the URL. Click on the page URL, and at the very end of it, you'll want to add a sitemap.xml. This addition is significant because it's precisely how you'll access the sitemap for your particular site. Think of the sitemap as the blueprint or map of your site, which tells search engines about the structure of your pages and blog posts. Once you have typed /sitemap.xml at the end of your URL, press enter, and you should see a listing of your sitemap. This will confirm that everything is set correctly and accessible. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you've successfully ensured that your blog post sitemap in Wix is working correctly with Google Search Console. This setup will help search engines better understand and index your site, ultimately benefiting your online presence. Remember, correctly managing your sitemap is an ongoing process, so periodically check back to ensure everything is up to date whenever you publish new content.